In this video, I am going to show you a really powerful AI you can use to write essays, summarize things, find citations for your text, enhance your text, and so much more. And this AI is really better than ChatGPT at writing, and it is so crazy. So make sure to watch the video all the way to the end to not miss anything, and make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. But now let's get right into this. Okay, so first of all, what we want to do is we want to go to Google, and here we want to search up here for something called Kipper.ai. So just type that in and then click enter. So just search for that, and then we'll be led to a website like this. And this is the AI. So here we can first of all just start a free trial and try it out. It goes for 2 days. So you can try everything out, every essay writer, the summarizer, the citation finder, text enhancer, and everything. You can try it out for free. So I would definitely just start with the free trial here. I have an account already, so I'm going to sign in. So my free trial has started now, and after that it's just $10 a month. So not too much. It's really affordable for such a good bot. So now click here on continue, and we can go ahead and write. So let's just first of all try something out. Now that we are on Kipper, we can, for example, write something like, write an essay about how AI will replace humans. So we are just going to let that write now. So it's generating our essay now. And here we got it. The rise of the AI overlords, a deep dive into artificial intelligence will supersede human labor. Then we have a whole introduction, then 3 paragraphs and a conclusion. And even with, we're excited, so we even have some nice sources. So that is really great. And yeah, this is really helpful to write great essays. But now let's check out some of the other tools. So for example, we have a citation finder here, and then we can search something like, for example, we want more citations for the essay we just wrote. So we can just search for something like, so we are just going to search for that and then let it find some citations for us. And here we go. We got some nice citations. The impact of artificial intelligence and innovation. This is a great citation. Then we have another reference, and these are also really good reference, like with .edu, for example. So these are verified citations, which is really great. So you can or for example .gov. So this is great to use for your essays. Now the summarizer is probably the easiest tool in here. Here you can, for example, just paste the text in that you want summarized. So let's just say we are on a website and we don't want to read through all the text. Of course, this is not a long text right now, but when we just paste that in, it will summarize it quickly for us, and then we can just easily use this text and rather read this text than the original text, which is really nice, and it even does key points, so AI will come. Now coming to the last tool, which is probably my favorite tool, is the text enhancer. And here we can, for example, just paste the text in. So I just got the text from a blog, and if we just paste that in here, we can enhance the text. So we are now on, there are different modes. We are on standard, then formal, casual, expand, and shorten. So let's just say we want a formal text enhancer. So we want this text enhanced in a formal language. Then we can just click that and click enhance. Now we will have to wait a second, and you can see what it changed out. The advent of technology caused, so a lot of different words it's changing out that make it sound better and way more professional. So this is overall a really great tool you can use for essay writing, citation finding, summarizing things, and enhancing your text. And the great thing about this is you get a 2 days free trial to try everything out, and then you can see for yourself that this is a really quality tool. So yeah, this is really great. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. This Kipper AI is linked in the description below, so if you want to check it out, definitely go there. And if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section and I will try to reply. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.